Hello today. We played around today with Viennese Waltz. And Viennese Waltz, how that's different than maybe ballroom waltz, American waltz. There are many different kinds of waltz, just to be clear, is that it's faster. There are a lot more turns, and our feet are going to be more narrow and tight together, which is wonderful practice for narrow base of support or being skinny in our feet while staying balanced. The other thing we worked on today was the connection of eyes to movement, and we were following our hands with our eyes to connect our body movements with our vision, which, as you know, those two systems along with inner ear and our brain they have to be coordinated well to keep us steady and upright. So we play around with Viennese Waltz. We didn't do Viennese Waltz. I guess I can't say that I did it anyway. So here's what we did. And what I will do is put the link to the song we danced to below in the description so you can play around with it. The first thing to remember is waltz has to be done to waltz time music, which is 3/4 usually. And the count you should be able to count while you're listening is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Usually we have one foot getting each number. Our basic step that we did 3 going forward and 3 going backward, were made up of step, 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 step. 3 steps to go along with our 1, 2, 3. I'm going to try to stay in camera. All right, I'll go this way. All right, so we started with our right foot, and our right foot stepped forward, and then we did side together, and then left foot forward, forward, side together, and then we finished with right, forward, side together. We took that basic and went backward, starting with the next ready foot, which is left, back, side together, back, side together, back, side together. Now, to stay in waltz form, we did not focus a lot on the rise and fall today. We focused more on keeping our feet tight, keeping the steps small because the music is fast, and our arms placed somewhere. Flowing arms, swaying arms. And when we step, it's a slide, kind of a heel toe, but when it's going fast, we're sort of skating our foot out. And then our 2, 3 is up on the toes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1. And if we go back, we're kind of skating backward too, keeping our body upright the whole time. We played around with alignment as well, keeping our trunk over our pelvis, trying to keep that connection in the front so that we weren't arching our backs too much. Okay, so our basic went, we had some options, but it basically went right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3, right, 2, 3, back, left, 2, 3, right, 2, 3, and left, 2, 3. That was our basic phrase. Options for your feet. We could do forward, side, together. Smaller when we're going faster, forward, side, together, back, side, together, back, side, together. Or we decided we could just step and do our 2, 3 in place. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Or backward. 1, tiptoe, 1, 2, 3. Our other option was just to simply bring the toe together and hold for the 2, 3. So we could go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or back, 2, 3, back, 2, 3. 3 options for how you could do that 1, 2, 3. The thing that's the same with all of them is we have right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3, right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3. So no matter what you choose to do with your feet, that stays the same. Tip, don't take a big first step. If you take a big first step, you have to catch up on that 2, 3, which is really quick. So smaller steps, tighter in their space. The next thing that we did, so we had basic forward and backward, 6 total basic steps. We did a little sway step, 1, 2, 3, and we practiced looking at our hand, 2, 3, step and tap together. No matter what you do, again, on the 2, 3, your feet should be close together. That was something we played with as well. Then what we did was we took the steps that we did and made a box around our space. So we did our 3 forward, and on the third one, we made a turn to the right. So we did right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3, step and turn, right, 2, 3. Left goes backward now on the back side of our room. 1, 2, 3, right, 2, 3. And on the third one, we turn to the right again. So we take a 1, 2, 3. Now we're facing the opposite of what we started. We continue forward with the right. Right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3, right, turn to the right. Right, 2, 3. And our back, we finish. Same thing. Left, 2, 3, right, 2, 3. We're stepping back on the left, turning our chest to the right. 1, 2, 3. That can be really hard. So when we're turning to the right, if we're going forward, we step on the right, turn toward the right, and bring our feet together, 2, 3. When we're turning to the right, we're going backward on the left. Backward, 2, 3. I'll do that facing this way. Step backward on the left, turn toward the right. I like to pretend I have a fin on my chest that's telling me which way to turn. So my left is ready to step back, 2, 3. Okay, so play around with that. So let's go through that one more time. Right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3, right turn, 2, 3, back left, left, 2, 3, back right, 2, 3, turn on the back, left, 2, 3, forward again, right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3, turn, right, 2, 3, back left again, left, finish it up, right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3. That was a box we made out of the basics that we did both forward and backward. So 3 total on each side. The third one turns you a quarter turn to the right until you're back where you started again. The other thing we played with was the flavor, the style. So we talked about gliding the feet and being mostly on the toes for the 2, 3. What we also did was we played with a little bit of a sway. When we're stepping forward on the right, we took our chest and turned our chest to the right. When we stepped forward on the left, we turned our chest to the left. So we practiced this rotation. And then once we got the trunk rotation of whatever leg was in front, we were turning our chest to face that leg. We let the arms come. We had an imaginary string tied, an elastic string around our middle finger attached to our hips. And we just kept them there. So as we turned, it was this nice, wide, almost swishy feeling. So we weren't having to cross over. You could if you want to. But this just kind of lets you feel that nice, open, flowy, elegant, sweeping style of the waltz. So trying that with our basic step, so we just turn our basic step into a little bit more of a stylish step. We did right foot, 1, 2, 3, left, 2, 3, right, 2, 3. If we went backward, we could do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 1. We're always facing the leg that's in the front. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can dance around your space. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's your center that's turning, not your arms. Arms follow. Okay? Play with that. If you can't think of the arms because it's just too much with the feet and everything else and the steps, park them. Don't let them go dead at your sides. Gotta have some awareness of those arms. So those are the things that we did and we put them together in a little sequence. We just went around the room, and then we got to freeform it. So let's just put it together into a little sequence. And we're going to go right, and we're going to do the box around the room. Here we go. And we're going to go at the same pace as our song, which is a lot faster. Right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3, ready. Here we go. And right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3, turn, 2, 3, left, right, then turn, 2, 3, right, left, 2, 3, turn, 2, 3, left, backward, right, and then turn, 2, 3, again, forward, right, left, turn on the right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3, right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3, right, left, turn it, right, go left, right, turn it, left, 2, 3, right, left, right, and turn left, right, turn left, 2, 3, right, left, turn it, last one, left, right, and turn it, 2, 3. Play with that. Just do the box, do the basic. Choose if you want to do forward side together, back side together, or forward touch, backward touch, or one in place, your choice. And if you mix it up and whatever just comes out, the key is that you're moving. Make sure, because you're facing backwards sometimes, that you know your space. And sort of when we're turning, it gives you a chance to look out of your peripheral vision and just kind of check what's coming. All right? Enjoy, and we'll see you next week.